I titled this series Investing for Mommies simply because I am a mom, and I didn't really take investing seriously until I became a mom. However, this series can still benefit you whether you're a sister, brother, aunt, dad, granny, or grandpa. See, my goal is to bring awareness around the extreme value of financial literacy, especially for families, especially for women with kids. Number one, a lot of schools, universities, and households just don't teach what I'll be covering. And number two, approximately 40% of mothers are either the sole or primary breadwinners for their families. So, mommy, knowing what to do with your money matters, not just for you, but for 5 generations down the line. Please keep in mind that I am not a financial advisor, okay? You should always do your own research. Like, I'm just a random lady online who loves talking about financial education, learning about it, and then sharing what I know because I realize that financial literacy can create financial freedom. So, starting with today's investing tip. It takes money to multiply money. And do you notice how I said multiply? You've probably heard that saying go a little bit something like this. It takes money to make money. But that's just not true, okay? For an example, say you needed a job and you applied to a job that you knew that you were gonna get no matter what, okay? And let's say you start working at the mall and boom, like you get your paycheck 2 weeks later. Did it take money to make that 2-week paycheck? No, it probably took a little bit of time and resources. So the truth is, it takes time and resources to make money. But if you wanted to multiply that same 2-week paycheck, then you're gonna have to invest it into something. Let's talk about the top 3 smart ways that you can invest your money, your next paycheck. Number 1, invest in the stock market. It has long-term growth. See why? Historically, the stock market has averaged 7 to 10% annual returns over the long run. Compare that to storing your money into something like a conventional bank like Chase, Bank of America, Wells Fargo. Those regular checking accounts usually give you 0.01 to 0.05% APY, which basically is like pennies every single year. You can get a low cost index fund or an ETF. Number 2, build cash flowing assets. Income plus growth. Why? Having assets that pay you monthly can speed up your financial freedom. You can get into real estate, rental property, REITs. Those have a very low barrier of entry. This portion of the video is sponsored by Fundrise. Fundrise is one of the most popular private REIT platforms. You can invest in commercial or residential portfolios for as little as $10. It's easy to use and it has long-term passive returns. You can invest in commercial or residential portfolios for as little as $10. It's easy to use and it has long-term passive returns. Another cash flowing asset is starting a side business or creating a digital asset, ebooks, online courses, affiliate websites. What you're going to do is pick your favorite brands that you would love to collaborate with or choose the top products and services that you already use on a day-to-day basis. You simply type in that company name, for example, Nike, and add affiliate program at the end. If they offer cash bonuses, sign up and start sending out your affiliate link. And number 3, invest in yourself, skills, and education. Why? Because the fastest return of investment comes from increasing your earning potential. How do you do this? Courses in high income skills like digital marketing, coding, investing, sales. You get certifications that increase your value in your industry. You go to networking events and mastermind groups. My team and I offer courses around financial literacy, how to become a brand ambassador for health and wellness products, Airbnb startups, and making travel a lifestyle by becoming a travel influencer. So all of the links are going to be dropped in the description down below. Whether you're a first-time investor or you've dabbled in it for some time, I promise that these tips are going to get the ball rolling and keep the ball rolling towards a very, very successful journey with investing. If you've gained some value, don't forget to hit that like button, hit subscribe, and share this with your favorite mommy. Thanks always, and I'll see you guys next time. Mwah. Ciao.